Hello everyone! You might have noticed by the title of this video is that what I want to do is to learn a new language from zero in 3 months. Let me explain to you why I'm doing it. I'm a language teacher and I'm a language coach, and I was challenged by my coach and mentor, Rachel Paling, to try and learn a new language in 3 months. And I'm taking up this challenge, and I've chosen Italian as my new language. I don't know any Italian. Italian will be my 5th language. My native language is Russian, and also my 2nd language is Latvian because I grew up in Latvia, so I just picked it up when I was a kid. My 3rd language is English. I started learning English when I was 7, and my 4th language is Romanian because I live in Romania presently, and I started learning Romanian when I was an adult, when I was 25. Before starting a new language, I feel that I should make some kind of a plan, what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. And I wrote it in my little notebook. Well, this little notebook, it was actually painted by my talented, wonderful daughter. So what I wrote here is, okay, so why am I learning Italian? Because I want to see if it's possible to learn a language in 3 months. And also that it will be a good experience for me as a language teacher to be in the shoes of my learners. In a way, I'll be getting a taste of my own medicine, because I always tell my students, oh, you need to learn English, you need to do something in English every day. So that's what I'm aiming to do, is to do something in Italian every day. Also, I want to talk about what associations I have with Italian language. I think that it's a very melodic language. What comes to mind is, of course, Italian opera, Italian food that I love. And when I was a teenager, I used to listen to Italian songs, Toto Cutugno, Albano and Romina Power, Felicita. So I visited Italy twice and I really liked it. And also, another association that I have with this language, I don't know why, is a well-dressed Italian man. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm married, I'm happily married, but it's just something that I have association with the language. I don't know why. Now, about my motivation. My motivation is purely intrinsic. I want to rediscover the joy of learning and the joy of challenging myself, of working towards a goal, of setting a goal, and then accomplishing the goal. Now, here I wrote how I'm going to do it. I downloaded the application that's called Busu, and I'm determined to spend at least 30 minutes every day learning. Also, I'm planning on listening to music in Italian and watching movies in Italian on Netflix, and I also want to learn some songs in Italian. Next one, yes, comes sort of accountability. There is a saying that if you want to learn anything, you should teach it to somebody. So that's why I want to be keeping a daily vlog of what I'm learning in Italian and teaching it to you. So if you want to learn Italian with me, get on the bandwagon and let's do it together. I want to keep a daily vlog of my progress, and I'm going to share with you my new words or expressions. About the time, I realized that it's going to be difficult. I'm a busy person, but I decided to set my alarm 1 hour earlier. This way I'll have 30 minutes to actually study and 30 minutes to film. And then maybe sometime during the day I'll be posting it on YouTube. So that's what my challenge is going to be about. See you tomorrow with my first real lesson for me and for you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Ciao.